Alright, so sorry for the noise in the background. My CNC machine's currently engraving one of the other machines. I just got this Ortur laser, and I thought I'd show me putting it together. So I started taking it apart, and then I thought, you know what, I'm going to videotape me putting this together. So let's finish taking everything out of the box, and then we'll put it together. nearly finished. So everything else happens on the computer. Endurance laser mounted on the front. Right now I've just got this thing here stuck on the top because the wires aren't long enough to put it anywhere else. I need to make those wires a little bit longer, which should be easy enough to do. I just haven't got around to it. But I'm going to carry this thing over to the CNC machine so I can hook up light burn on my computer that runs my CNC machine. And so we're going to do that right now and play around with a little bit of light burn. Alright, so light burn won't run on my CNC computer, and so I brought my laptop out so I can play around a little bit with light burn and make just do some burning initially, just to get some things going here and see if things work. So we're gonna make sure we're connected. Alright, so I finally got the Ortur laser hooked up to my laptop, and as you can see, it's kind of running a little job here. This is my third or fourth pass. I was thinking that the initial passes before were a little too light, and so I went to a slower speed to try and see if I could make it a little darker. The battery in my camcorder is about to die, but this is basically what I've got. I've got the Ortur Laser Master 2, the endurance laser mounted. This guy's just sat up there, and this is actually just double sticky taped to the original plate until I make another plate or make something to go connect them really good. But that's it. That one's going. This guy's going, and you can see the PWM working, which is very cool. Alright, and that is it for this video, and we'll catch you guys later.